This video demonstrates the installation process of 3-phase high-voltage energy storage inverter. Attention! Electrical equipment shall only be installed and maintained by qualified electrical technicians. Please read the user manual before installation and check whether the accessories in the box are complete. The inverter is heavy. Please pay attention to personnel safety during handling and installation. Please install the inverter in a safe location that meets the requirements for easy ventilation and heat dissipation, and avoid direct sunlight. When the inverter is running, there may be risks of high temperature and high voltage. Please install the inverter in a location that is not easily accessible. Unboxing. Use a suitable tool to open the carton. Take out the back bracket and accessory bag. Install the mounting bracket. This video demonstrates the bracket installation method, and the actual installation should be adjusted according to the specific working conditions. Appropriate space should be reserved around the inverter. Please install the inverter vertically. After determining the installation position of the back hanging plate, fix the back hanging plate to the mounting bracket with fixing bolts. Tighten the bolt with the socket. Fix the 4 corners of the back plate in the same way. Mount the inverter. Align the inverter with the hooks on the mounting plate and hang it. Screw the set screws into the fixing holes. Inverter installation completed. Grounding cable connection. Connect the ground wires crimped with OT terminal to the ground point on the side of inverter. DC side connection. Please use a multimeter to measure the open circuit voltage of the PV strings. Distinguish the positive and negative poles. Ensure the DC voltage is within the allowable range marked on the nameplate of the inverter. Please refer to Solis demonstration video for making of DC connection cable. When the solar module is exposed to the sun, high voltage will appear on the DC wire. Do not touch the DC wire. Before connecting the inverter, please ensure that the open circuit voltage of the photovoltaic string does not exceed the limit of the inverter. The solar modules connected to the same MPPT must have the same specification, the same orientation, and the same inclination. When you hear a click sound, it indicates that the connection is fastened. Battery connection. This product is compatible with the battery modules shown in the table. This installation uses a pylon force H2 lithium battery. For battery installation, please refer to the battery manufacturer's instructions to install the battery. Connect the battery-powered cable to the port. When you hear a click sound, it indicates that the connection is fastened. AC side connection. Connect the AC cables to AC backup and AC grid. Communication connection. Unscrew the nut and remove the black cylinder. Connect one end of the BMS cable to the CAN port of the battery. Connect it to the BMS at the bottom of the inverter. In the same way, connect one end of the communication cable to the meter port on the bottom of the inverter. The RJ45 connector on the other end of the cable is connected to the RS485 port of the meter. Put the CT on the live wire and place it in the distribution box. Be sure to check the CT direction and ensure the arrow faces the grid. Close the communication cable protection cover, tighten the screws. If you choose a Solis data logger, connect the antenna to the antenna at the bottom of the inverter. Please connect it to the COM1 port at the bottom of the inverter. Power on debugging. Please visually check first to make sure all cables are connected properly. You can pull the cable lightly to confirm that the cable connection is tight. Close the battery switch and AC circuit breaker. Close the DC switch. If the DC input voltage is greater than the startup voltage of the inverter will start up.